Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and I will be right now watching the latest song drop from Coolie. Yes, this is the second drop. Now, this is a lyric video. Yes, you can't have everything in life. We got a full blown music video in the first one, but now we have the lyric video. And do we have the subtitles? I can see something. Korean auto generated? No, we don't have. Clearly, we do not have. Let me see in the options. No. Okay, anyway, not in my kismat. So anyway, the song is called Monica, and we have Pooja Hegde in the song. And what I am seeing in the vocals are three people: Shubhlashini, Anuradha, I'm saying. What is happening, huh? And rap by Asal Kolar. So yes, music obviously by Anirudh, and let's listen to the song. Buster Queen. Monica Bellucci? Okay.
Monica Bellucci.
Okay.
Yarangi bandachi. Kadale kondale kon tsunami undachi. Monica Bellucci. Etika energy. Talaye sutawe kon surabali ponachi.
Oh, Somin is there. Okay. Okay, that energy! Whoa! Nobody's questioning why she's wearing that red dress, huh? My first thought is, why is she wearing such a glamorous dress in a docking yard? I mean, there's all the cargo behind, but anyway, it could be an imaginary song as well. But Somin, hello, I want to see that. Look at Somin. Nice. Sandy. Okay, I'm loving Somin here. Awesome. It's very catchy. I like this.
Sama patikapa odatorong titikapa irakada otaira orvati santikapa maingati santikapa tayangada metaila sabuneratil olambi alvada puja
nice. Fun.
varumai kolatil nermai pakada ilamai kalatil decencinal ayala nilaba sababa
show stealer here, huh? Whoa! What's going on?
Wow,
Somin definitely is the show stealer here. Never seen him dance like that. Even Pooja is great. No doubt. Oh, nice. This was fun. Monica. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, okay. Yes. Let's go. I am shook. I sat for this recording and in my head I was like, okay, yes, another Cooley song. And I'm doing multiple video recordings today, and this is I'm almost done with my today's quota basically. And in my head I was like, okay, fine, yeah, new song from Cooley dropped. Okay, I see Pooja Hegde in the thumbnail, so yeah, okay, fine, she's going to be the center of attention for this particular song. And the song is also called Monica. Okay, let's see how it is. Anirudh song, it's gonna be good only. Somin came out of syllabus, guys. What was that? I am so happy to see him grooving like that. His energy, the steps, the accuracy with which he is just so much on beat. And you can just see how much he's just having fun, and he has put in his 500% energy there. He's not slacking with the step, like the hand movements, the leg, feet movement, everything is precise. He was so good in the song. Just those glimpses were so much worth it. Pooja, who? Hello, did not see her. She completely faded for me in the background. Even though she was looking so amazing, she was dancing so well. She dances really well. With that amazing glamorous outfit, nothing. It is Somin who is the show stealer over here. Plus the song is also fun. I like what Anirudh did with the song. Great, very, very dancey, and you know what? The previous song I reacted, I said that still, I would say that would still be more my jam because it's more like mid-tempo and groovy. Those are the songs I usually prefer, but I think this is everyone's jam. This is what the collective loves. This energy, this groove, this beat production. I love the beat production for this. And I think Anirudh gave us what we wanted from, what we expect from a high energetic, high octane song. This is great. I love the melody also. The female singer was absolutely phenomenal in this song. She was amazing. Okay, this was the whole package. But once again, I think in those few seconds, few moments, Somin completely stole the show here. In the end, when he was dancing with all those dancers, I was like, what is going on? What the hell is going on? But that is the happy shock. I love to get such happy shocks. This is what I love when I sit for reactions, when I am shook like this. I am sitting for song reactions, for trailer reactions, whatever, and I'm watching, I'm giving my tidbits, I'm sharing my thoughts and all of that. And especially for a music video or for a song, if there are certain musical parts or there are certain things in the music video which just completely renders me speechless, or which makes me hyped up, which makes me go back and listen to it again, which makes me completely shocked. I mean, that's the energy that I live for. This is so good. I am so glad I watched this, and I'm so glad that Somin was at his 500% in terms of his dancing energy, that this made my day completely. Made my reaction, in fact, made this recording much, much better. It's great, amazing. I had so much fun, but I want to know your thoughts in the comments, definitely. And yes, that was my reaction to Monica. Wish there were subtitles. I always keep saying that like a broken tape recorder, but I will keep saying that till it happens, till I manifest it, till all the producers, all the makers just by default put subtitles for all the songs. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off now. That was the reaction. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.